I faced a weird bug where my screen completely froze and the problem was Select2. Let me explain what actually went wrong. I was using Select2 inside Bootstrap model. When the user select an option from the Select2, I was calling an API, then dynamically appending the API response in another Select2. As soon as the user select an option, I immediately cleared the second select. Then I sent the API request. Once the API response arrived, I imported the select again and append new options. Everything looks fine until the screen got freeze. Here's the tricky part. The select to dropdown was open when I sent the API call. Then I cleared the select and select to close visually, but the focus was still active. Because of that, the model thought a bootstrap was open, so scrolling got locked. The important part that the dropdown was closed visually, but not logically. So here in my code, what I was doing, when users select an option, I was just appending please select and clearing previous options. Then on API call response, I am again clearing previous options and appending please select option and then appending that response from the API. Then I trigger change in the select2 and I reinitialize the select2. Everything looks fine. But the real issue was I was not closing the select2 after appending the data because my select2 was closing visually but not logically. So when I did add this line in my code, so when I added that line, when I open model and select option, now my scroll didn't freeze. This fix was simple but not obvious. After appending data, I quickly close select2. Now the model regains scroll control. Select to manage its own focus state. If you manipulate option while it open, you must close it manually. This bug doesn't show up in tutorials, but it happens in real apps. Always manage select to focus when updating options dynamically. Save this, it will save you hours.